You're happy?
I'm contento.
Mucho contento.
Muy contento.
Muy contento.
Muy contento. Juancho. I learn your culture, you learn mine.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah, you should try harder.
Welcome back. This is No Stupid Questions. My name's Eddie, and this isn't Tim.
No,
Who have we got here?
he got Mariano here.
Mariano.
Yes, yes.
Welcome to No Stupid Questions.
Thank you for having me, Eduardo.
What is our question for this week?
What's the deal with sparkling shiraz at Christmas? Do I need subtitles for that? Is that
Have
thing?
you had sparkling shiraz?
I have, yeah.
But not at Christmas.
No, it's not a thing back home, no.
Do you like sparkling shiraz?
Yes.
Okay, let's have some.
It always takes time.
All right, so sparkling shiraz from the Barossa, Barossa Barocca, and we've got some bacon, some smoky bacon here, and we've got some turkey, okay?
Yeah, it sounds very greasy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it sounds very Christmassy. These are things that we might have at Christmas. We might have a big thing of ham. We might have some turkey.
Yeah.
And let's try the sparkling shiraz first. Put the
Sorry.
bacon down. Shiraz fruit flavors. It's got a little bit of sweetness just to balance out the acidity because it's a sparkling wine.
Yeah.
And it's got obviously those beautiful bubbles. So it's a great wine for celebrating with, and it's going to pair beautifully with some smoky bacon.
Can I eat it now?
Please eat the bacon.
Oh, God.
Drink the wine, eat the bacon.
Can I?
I mean, it's a bit of a cheat, right? Bacon with anything, it's going to taste amazing, but I think it works particularly well with this sparkling shiraz. Have some of the turkey.
All right. It's a little bit dry.
You know, yeah, at Christmas time, you have turkey with cranberry sauce.
Yep.
And again, the sweetness in the cranberry sauce works really well with turkey. Well, there's a little bit of sweetness in this sparkling shiraz works really well with the turkey.
So it has to be at 11 o'clock?
Well, it could be 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, whatever you like, but it's hot outside, you've got something rich and meaty, and you need a wine to go with it.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
You
Yeah.
get it?
It's
It's
easy.
a clever cookie.
Look, I'm full of grease, full of wine. I understand everything.
You understand everything, I understand
I
everything.
got a visa, so...
There's all these like weird wine things that don't make sense to me, but I think sparkling shiraz in Christmas makes a lot of sense. It's hot, you want to pop something with bubbles, you're eating red meat. Tick, tick, tick. Do it. I'm good, thank you, Mariano. Keep sending in your questions, mofos. Thank you, Louisa. We love that one. Like, subscribe, do all the things below. Tim's going to be back next week. Don't worry. See you next time.
More bacon.